My international tip is going to be around the LGBT rights movement in India. This topic is close to my heart, and I thought it would be a unique and interesting topic to cover. It might sound shocking, but until last year, homosexuality was still criminalized in India. The regressive law that enforced this was called Section 377 of the Indian Penal Code. In fact, the punishment was 10 years of jail time. Sounds ridiculous, right? Last year, on September 6, 2018, came the day we were all hoping for. After years and years of petitions, pride parades, protests, and prosecutions, the Supreme Court of India finally decriminalized homosexuality and struck down Section 377. This was a landmark judgment for the LGBT community in India. As soon as the Supreme Court announced its judgment on Section 377, social media erupted with joy. Conversations around decriminalization of homosexuality was already dominating social media. To celebrate the momentous occasion, individuals as well as companies from media to tech changed their display pictures to the pride flag and kept the conversations running. Apart from the multinational companies, a lot of Indian startups also showed their support. They have also started to warm up to the LGBT community and be inclusive in their products. Now, let's talk about what's happening inside these companies with respect to LGBT inclusion and policies at workplace in India. Now that Section 377 is out of the way, there's a lot more interest in understanding and acknowledging the community as a living reality of their workforce. Many employees are owning up their identity and coming out and nudging their organizations to be more inclusive. Companies are engaging not only with the LGBT members in the organization but also encouraging allies to push the agenda forward. It's still a long way to go, but things seems to be moving in the right direction. Also, there's a push for companies to expand their policies to cover the unique needs of the LGBT community. Same sex partner benefits, medical insurance, leave for hormone therapy, and sex reassignment surgeries are a few examples of changes suggested in policies. That all of this is happening in a country where sex and sexuality is a taboo subject is testimony to the fact that we are making progress. Also, a lot more people are comfortable being out and open about their sexuality. I hope this video was able to give you some insights about the LGBT rights movement in India. We've just taken baby steps as of now, and there's a long way to go. Thanks for watching.